There it is. And then all you do, take a lid and a ring, put it on, and give it a shake. So that the peppers start getting in there, and then you can check your water line. But as long as your cucumbers are covered with enough brine, you are good. And that, my friends, super easy. That is how you make refrigerated pickles. I will show you other ones that I made that are already done. I'll retighten that. Here is a jar that's been sitting of the spicy pickles. A lot more dill in here, but everybody loved them. And then we still have some zucchini salsa left that I did say I would make to be able to show you. And there is the last jar of the regular, just plain old pickles. So now I'm ahead because of the factor. I have another jar that is already going. So let me just tighten this. Just shake it up so that it all floats in, and that's it. That is how easy it is to make refrigerated pickles. Now you'll let these sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours or longer. They just get better in time. And they're amazing, quick, simple, easy. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Smash the like button, leave me a comment, and I will leave the recipe down in the description below. And I'm hoping that this video came out good using the Gopro Hero 7 Silver. So these are the pickles that I talked about on my live. And yeah, I hope you give it a try. Nothing to it. Super easy and super quick, and they are delish. God bless. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, everyone.